Okay, we're gonna do more cartoon characters today, and the famous cartoon character which has been around for ages, even since I was a kid, that's a long time ago, is Archie from Archie's Comics. And for a cartoon character, he's actually a pretty natural-looking dude. Get your pencils and your colors and let's draw Archie. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. Did you know we publish lots of fun coloring books for both adults and kids? You can get them from Amazon, Etsy, or the Art for All website. Check the link in the description for more details. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.